Welcome to day 28th of January Leetcode challenge, and today's question is smallest string with a given numeric value. Uh, Before explaining the question, let's explain few key terms that are given in the question. How do you define the numeric value of a string? It is given by uh, if a character maps to 1 and z character maps to 26, and if you add all the elements in between to their mapping integers, for example, a maps to 1, b maps to 2, e maps to 5, the sum of these numbers would be the numeric value of the string. One point that is clear: how do we calculate the numeric value of a string? Summation of the characters that are there in when they're mapped to integer values in their increasing order. This gives us the numeric value of the string. What do we need to do in this question? You are given two integers n and k, and you need to identify the lexicographically smallest string of that given length and having that numeric value which is equal to k. For example, in this question, n is given to 3 and the numeric value that we are searching for, the summation of all the characters in that string when they're appropriately mapped should be 27, and the length of the string should be 3, as in this case, and the string becomes a and y, because a maps to 1 and y maps to 20 yz 25. So 25 plus 1 gives us 27, and this is how we got the numeric value 27, and the length of the words has become 3. Let's talk about 73, and the number of characters that should be there in that string is 5. So a s z z z z. So let's jump onto the algorithm. It's a mathematical problem, not very tricky, no sci-fi logic, no dynamic programming, no BFS, DFS. Very, very simple if you have understood what needs to be done in this question. So let me just start the slideshow. And let me just take a pen here. I have highlighted the mapping. I have highlighted the mapping as 1 maps to 1, a maps to 1, and z maps to 26, and for the similarly for the rest of the elements. So let's take few examples and derive the approach. Whenever k is 1 and n is 1, what is the integer length that should be there? A. What is the value that we are looking for? The numeric value 1. So this is the answer. Let's talk about the other case. This is too bright a pen to work on. This is better. So now we have k equals to 2, n equals to 2. So what is the string length that should be there? The string length is 2. And what is the value that we are looking for? It's 2 again. So the string becomes AA. If it is k equals to 3, n equals to 3, the string becomes 333. What is when k is equals to 4, n equals to 4, the string becomes 444, because each character contributes one value in the total summation. So 1111 gives us 1. One thought process that came to my mind, that we are given n equals to a particular integer value, that many characters should be there in the string, and we are interested in finding the lexicographically smallest string. What we can do, we can start with all the characters that are present in the string as a initially, and then build upon our result. So this is for sure that these many characters would be there, and what we can do, we'll first create a new string that has all the characters as a, and is of and has as many a's as the number given as n, because that should be the length of the string, and then we can devise the algorithm. How? Let's talk about this. So let's take a very simple example. N equals to 2 and k equals to 3. What we understood, that how many elements should be there? It should be 2. 2 characters should be there in the resultant string. Let's fill in 2 characters with a first of all. And what is the remaining value now? Remaining value becomes 1. So 1 becomes the remaining value. What we can do, what we are interested in, lexicographically smallest string that can be formed. So we will start from the backward direction rather than the forward direction, and we'll remove this value. So what we have done, we have removed this value. We got -1. Since we removed the value, k becomes, what does k become? K becomes +1, because since we removed it, so now we need to search for a higher value that has to be replaced by this. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. We'll search it in the map. What is that value? that value is b, so we will replace it by b. That's it. This is what needs to be done. If the value becomes greater than 26, if this intended value that you're searching from becomes greater than 26, you fill in z here and move on to the next index, that is the previous one from the current index. So you keep on going in this as in the backward direction as you progress for the higher values of for the lower values of k. In case the k is too high, the value that you're looking for is too high. So let's walk through another case as well. So let's take the case where n equals to 5 and k equals to 73. The default value that string that we will generate is using all a's that are of each value 1. So you fill in the string with of length 5 and you fill in a's there. And what you'll do, since you have filled in a, you'll reduce the value by 5. So we got 68. 68 is greater than 26, greater than equal to 26. What we will do, we will start from the backward direction and start on dumping z till the time the value is greater than k, till the time k is greater than equal to 26. How will you do that? So we will replace we'll replace this by z. How? So let's first of all delete this value. So when we delete this value, we add 1 back, since we deleted 1 when we reduced -5. So 68 plus 1, we got 69, and 69 we dump 26 instead of a. So 69 minus 26 is 3. We get 43. So we get 43. We replace this by z. So let's move on to the next index. Since this is greater than 26, we move on to the next index. And here, what we get, this is again we do the same thing. 43 minus plus 1 minus 26. So what we get, 44 minus 26. This is 8, 18. We get 18 as k. So this also gets replaced by z, safe and successfully. Now we move on backwards again. We have k, remaining k as 18. What we will do, this is within the limit, so we won't be replacing it by z. We will be replacing it by some other character from this list. Which character we replace? Remove a out of it. So as we remove, we add 1 to it. We get 19, and we will search it in our map. What value 19 holds? 19 points to s. So we replace by this s. What is the resultant string that is formed? It's a s z z. So let's quickly code this up in exactly the same process as I have stated. What will the time complexity of this approach? Equal to the length of the string that we have. So defining a new character array, ans equals to new char. What will be the length of this character array? It's equal to n. And let's define, let's initialize all the characters of this ans to a. For integer I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and ans dot I of I index sets to a. Once we have done that, we'll also reduce k by 1. So k minus minus, very standard way, since you are filling in a there, so you reduce k by 1. And while k is still greater than equal to 26, that means there's a capacity to fill in z instead of a. What we will do, and from where will we start? We'll start from the index, from the last index, since we are interested in searching for the lexicographically smallest smallest string. Ans dot length -1, and ans of index equals to z, and k equals to k minus 25. Since we have already reduced 1 in the past, we will be reducing 25 now instead of 26. And once we have done that, index minus minus. So I hope I made it clear why we reduced it by 25, not 26, because we already reduced 1 in the past. Otherwise, what I would have written is k plus 1 minus 26, which gives me the same thing. And once we are out of this, so we are at the index where k lies between 1 to 26, somewhere between that, and we'll replace ans of index to k plus a and that character. Once we are done this, we'll return the new string that is formed, new string using ans. So let's submit this. Looks good, and let's try this up. Accepted. What is the time complexity of this approach? The time complexity is as many characters that are there in the string, order of n. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it.